Okay, 2019 SSIS.
We want to change that 64-bit into 32-bit to work on Excel files.
Okay. Even 2019
That's what
also
I meant.
required, right? But I think someone was saying it is not required. But yeah, maybe check it. If it is not required, then fine. But keep in mind. So mostly it is required, but I don't know. Why it is not.
Basically, it's Envark Excel.
Correct. Excel by default is Envark, and flat file by default it
We
is
want
Varkar.
to convert it data convert.
Yes. And flat file by default it is Varkar.
Worker.
Yeah. Okay. And then
You tell that in that SQL last class you will tell about tuning, performance tuning in the class.
I told, right, performance tuning of SQL server.
You told that while interviewer asking about self-introduction, you need to tell that some questions about the what you know. Let them know about
Okay,
the
see,
SQL and
yeah,
SSRS.
that's what. So in the SSRS, how to upload resume to Naukri, I have given my how to tell me about yourself, right? So maybe I'll just quickly tell you now as well. See, interviewer first they'll ask you, tell me about yourself. So what you need to tell is you need to tell your name. Hi, I'm so and so, and I have some 4 years of experience into MSP development, which includes SQL Server, SSIS, and SSRS. Currently, I'm working with some TCS, and the project is, you tell your project name, and this is a telecom domain. Whatever the domain it is, I'll tell you. So you just need to tell this is a telecom domain project, and in this project, I'll be working on loading data from various sources, that is like text files, CSV files, Excel files, and sometimes SQL Server source, by using various control for task and data for transformations. And once I load data into database, I need to work on creating stored procedures, which will load aggregated data into the reporting tables. And if any of the stored procedure is running for a long time, I need to work on performance tuning of the code to run it faster. And once data is ready, I need to work on creating SSRS reports. That reports may be drill down report, drill through report, or cascade parameterized report according to the requirement. Apart from that, I do have experience in creating and scheduling jobs on SQL Server agent, right? So that's brief about my roles and responsibilities. So you need to tell this way, like they'll ask you about your introduction, right? So in introduction, what are the points which I have indicated them, guys? Did you observe? So I have told about all control for task and then data flow transformations. And also I have told, yeah, so stored procedures and also performance tuning of stored procedures. And then reports drill down, drill through, cascaded, right? By using tablets and matrix. So these are the key points I have tell them, right? So they'll pick it the question from there itself, all right? So few persons will start with, so you have told about the performance tuning. So what exactly you have done in the performance tuning, they'll ask you, right? So you need to start with those points which we have discussed in the class. Clear? So almost we have covered everything. So if you want to still mention that transformations which we have used, maybe you can mention that. It is not required. You can just tell them various control flow items and data flow transformations. You can tell while giving the introduction. Okay. And guys, take some time, 5 or 10 days, or if you are thorough till SSIS, you can go ahead and upload resume to Naukri. You can ask me to prepare your resume by sending your existing resume to my email. And if not, so try to prepare well for next 1 week and then try it interviews. Maybe by end of this weekend or maybe next weekend, right? So yeah. Any other questions?
I think after November we won't get calls. December.
We will get, but maybe number of calls will be reduced. So not completely dry. I don't think so it will be completely dry, but calls will be less. But if you put for more than 4 years experience, you'll get it. See, for MSB technology, I have been looking from last 10 years. So So there is no point of dryness in the calls. I think, guys, I have interview at 11. Okay. Just a second.
Uh,
1 second, 1 second. Hello. Yeah, tell me.
yeah, Amar, what about pending things? We need to do some lab work. You told by the end of the class, you will discuss about those.
Which lab things?
That one loading Excel, multiple Excel files, and let me give. I made a list. It should be in there.
Guys, did anyone try it by following the instructions in the link? So what is the problem over there? Are you not able to get it by what exactly they are telling in the link?
Yes, and exporting report to Excel also. I didn't get any error, but if you show one time, it will be good. Why that one? Well, exporting the report to Excel.
Did you all check it in the YouTube? How to do that? No. See, why I am telling you, why I am giving you the task is, see, this will shows you how good you are in implementing the instructions by looking at the references. See, in real time, if you get any challenges, you have to take the help from the internet only. Agree or not?
Agree.
Right. So that's the reason why I'm giving you all to look at the references from the internet. So try to achieve. If still it is not getting, maybe we'll connect on weekend. Okay, I don't have any problem explaining you guys, but I want you guys to achieve yourself. I don't know how many of you tried. I think only she is talking about that. Did anyone try to implement that, guys? No one, right? See why I am giving you task. So it will tell you your capabilities, how to grab the things from the internet. Correct. So try to practice it. If not, we'll connect over the weekend. Fine.
Amar, just message us before one day so that we can connect.
Yeah, sure. I'll let you know the timings. But meanwhile, try to achieve it. Okay. That overlapping is a simple thing. SSRS overlapping we're talking, right? So when you upload your, when you export, the cascading is happening, right? So the correct, that is what you are telling.
Yeah. Yes.
Actually, I didn't get any overlapping problem. I got the report exactly. Just I'm asking you if we face where you shown in your video.
No, that's what you see. You are playing with me, right?
No,
See,
not playing.
no, that's
playing.
fine. See, if you take two tablexes and try to overlap it, and if you go through YouTube video, clearly they'll explain you the options. See, like what I'm telling you. That's what I told you. See, it's not a problem for me. I can explain. So that's not a problem for me. But why I'm telling you guys is you need to learn something from the internet as well. Why? Because if you get the real-time work, if you get some scenarios, you need to take help from internet only. End of the day, we'll help you for sure. But small things and all, you need to get it from the internet, right? So that's why. But anyhow, yeah, try it, and then if not, we'll connect in the weekend, guys. I will suggest you all to try to achieve those two tasks. If any overlapping has happening, try to uh, uh, get rid of that issue, and also the loading multiple Excel sheets. Okay, try that. If not, we'll connect one weekend. Yeah, fine, guys. I have work at 11 a.m. and any other questions? If not, if anyone is planning to upload their resume, please let me know. If not, please take some time and prepare it well, at least SQL and SSIS thoroughly, and then try to upload your resume. Okay. All the best, guys. Don't think this is your last class. If you have any doubts, please do reach out to me on WhatsApp. Okay, and I'll respond you. Yeah, all the best, guys, and thanks for joining. And I'm here to help you. So let me know if you all having any concerns. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Thank you.